I'll do. Okay, go ahead and hit record. Okay, you got it?
Oh, I did.
Okay, all right.
So have you done anything like this before?
No, he has not.
Okay, so
Tyler?
here's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to be engraving and printing a piece on glass. We're going to take you over to our lathe and show you how this works. We'll do some test cuts. Then you can come back and design something to actually cut. And then you're going to go back over and make that design and then print it. Okay? All right, so first we're going to take you over to our lathe and give you some basic safety instructions.
I'll get that. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Does he need glasses or no?
Yeah. Safety glasses. I'll get you there, lady. You can go right there.
Okay. You want to take a picture of him? We can take a picture of him?
Oh, he's right there.
Okay. I'm just taking a picture of all of them for you.
Fun. Your safety glasses.
Okay, honey, you need your glasses on. I got it.
All right, then come on over here to our lathe.
Okay.
Now, this is our lathe. This is what we're going to use to cut the glass. And we're going to use different cutting bits to go into the lathe. So I put this in here. And I turn the water on, so we get a little bit of water. That helps the lathe cut better, and it keeps the dust out. Now, the way that the lathe operates is it turns on and off over here. This is the start and stop button. That starts the lathe moving, and then it starts to spin. Now, it's very safe. It looks a little dangerous, but it's actually very safe. If I had to, I don't want you to do this, but if I had to, I could stop it with my hand.
Oh, yeah?
So if your hand bumps up against it when you're using it, don't worry about it. If you bump up against the blade, it won't cut your hand. It cuts the glass, but it will not cut your hand.
Okay.
All right. So what we're going to do is I'm going to have you make some test cuts so you can understand how it works. And the way that I want you to do this is I want you to hold this just like this, nice and steady. And then I want you to push in like this.
Oh.
A cut in the glass.
Oh, yeah?
So I'd like you to make a few of those like that. And then I'd like you to make one that's a stripe, like this. You push in, and then you pull down like this. Okay?
Oh.
Go ahead and try that and see how that feels to you. You want to hang on nice and tight to the...
No, you do it, hon. You're practicing, hon.
Yeah,
you're practicing.
Practice.
Tyler, you're practicing. Now do what she said.
When we start new, you're going to...
Tyler, no. Go like this. Hold tight.
Hold it nice and tight. Yep.
Move in front of it.
Like that.
Move in front of it.
Yep. Push and hold like this. Just push and hold.
Yeah, like that.
Okay, now do another one. There you go. Okay. How's that feel?
Oh, goodness, that feels
all right.
good.
So now I'm going to stop the lathe. Now, if you ever feel like you're like it's dangerous or that you get scared or something, you can just push the red button and that will stop everything, and then we'll come back and get it. Okay?
Oh, yeah.
So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to take this
Tyler, pay
cutting bit out.
attention.
I'm going to put in one that is more oval shape. Now this is going to operate a lot like the last one, except it's going to take off a little more material, so maybe a little bit, take a little longer. So be patient with this one, okay?
Okay.
So when you push in, and push in and hold, and just hold for a second.
Push in and hold. It takes a little bit, another minute.
Wait for this to get up to speed. Just hold up just a second, buddy. You gotta wait for it to get up to speed.
Yep, wait till it gets...
Just a minute, I'll tell you when you can go.
For fun!
Okay.
You will. You're
Go
practicing,
ahead and
Tyler.
practice. Go ahead.
I think he just wants you to hold. Hold, just hold.
There you go, good.
Hold.
Okay, you can stop. I want you to do, watch me, okay? I want you to do this.
Watch.
See how that makes a pattern like a leaf?
Yeah.
Okay, try to do that. Just push and hold. Good job. Excellent. Yeah, but then if you want to make a line, you can. Okay, good. How do you feel about that one?
How do you feel?
Do another one?
Good.
Another
Another
one. Try
one.
another one. All right, very good. All right, now the next tool we have is a circle tool. Now this one you don't want to move up and down at all. You just want to push.
Oh, yeah?
Okay, you don't want to go up and down with this one at all.
Just hold still.
With this one,
Okay,
you
let's
lose
go up and
control.
listen. Tyler, go up and listen.
So I'm going to show you how to use this one. I'm going to get into this class. So this one.
Oh, to the front. Well, honey, you got to practice first.
This is going to make dots. Right, so watch what happens. Why don't you just push and hold like this. Don't try to go up and down. Just push and hold. And that makes a dot. Right, so go ahead and try that. Excellent. Up. See what happened when you pulled up? You made a stretch. Just push and hold and then pull right back out. Excellent.
Yeah.
One more. Good job.
Do one more, honey.
Perfect. All right.
Oh, beautiful,
Excellent.
honey.
So those
beautiful.
are the 3 tools that we're going to use to make our design. So what you're going to do next is you're going to come over here and you're going to draw a design on the glass, and then you're going to go back over here and we're going to cut it. All right?
Oh, you're
so
good.
Go ahead and have a seat over here, any one of these chairs.
Oh, you're a good artist, honey. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. He's doing great.
Yeah, he's really, he loves
so
art.
have a seat right here, buddy. Now, what you're going to do next, you're going to draw your design, and let me explain. Just let me explain.
He's so excited.
I know you're anxious. I get it. I totally get it. This is the kind of pen that doesn't come off when we put it underwater. So I want you to draw a design, but keep in mind the bits that we have. They make lines, they make ovals, and they make circles. Don't try to draw something too complicated that we can't make, okay? Yep, when you're ready, you just let me know.
Honey, that's a little complicated, honey. Okay, for the first time? Okay.
The little ones are going to be tough, but the longer leaves, the fact.
Yeah. So how about the bottom two?
He's copying that one over there.
Yeah.
It's perfectly fine.
Right.
But when he gets in there and starts acting.
Yeah.
What's his name again?
Tyler.
Tyler, when you get in there and actually start cutting, you may have to make some adjustments, but that's a good starting point to give you an idea.
Yeah.
I think you're on the right track.
I think you're going to be seeing us again.
I remember he was in here for doing a fusing project.
We've been here 1,000 times.
Okay.
We have a lot at our house. We have some Easter stuff that we put away for Easter. Do you want to put some dots around it to make it look pretty, or no? You do what you want to do, honey, okay?
All right, buddy, you ready to go?
You ready?
Right.
Okay.
Back on the pen for me. Awesome. All right, let's come on over here.
Okay.
I think we can do all of these with the line tool. And what I'm going to suggest is that you do all of the long lines first and then do these little ones. All right? Does that make sense? Yeah. All right, we're going to do it this way because this is the side we're going to cut on. So I suggest you just do all of your long lines first, all these, and then we're going to do the little ones. All right? Let me just get started for you. Just wait for it to get up to speed. You're doing great. I know you're anxious.
Yeah.
Right,
No.
get started. Take your time. Go slow. The slower you go, the better it'll be.
Nice and slow, honey.
Doing great.
Nice and slow.
That's just about right speed right there. Excellent. All right, so nice and slow. A little slower, okay? you want to make sure it gets a good, nice, deep cut. So just go a little bit slower.
Nice and slow, honey. Slow.
You're doing great. Doing really good. You got a good grip on that glass. Awesome. You're doing great. Going like that. For those of you just want to kind of push in and then pull right straight back. So this is going to help you. Just do this. Go ahead and hold it. I'm going to help you. So we're just going to go like this and push in. Like that. Okay? There you go. That's the best way to do those. That makes them look the most good. There you go. Go a little bit deeper, okay? So just pushing a little bit harder. Excellent. You don't need to move it. Just push in and then pull back out.
Tyler, push in. Don't.
Push in and pull out. Push in and out. You don't need to move it at all. Push and pull. Push and pull. You're doing great. Just keep going like that. Tyler, I want you to take some time. Just push a little bit. I'm sorry.
Listen to
it.
it. No, no.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to scare you.
No, you didn't scare him.
You're doing fine. Just let me show you. Put your hands over top of mine, okay? Okay? So just push. And pull. Push. And pull. All right? You see that? You're doing great. You're looking really good. That's it.
There.
That's it.
There you go.
You got it. That'll make the best print. The glass is going to look great no matter what.
Yes.
We're trying to find the best way to make it print. That's perfect. That's perfect. You're doing great. I'm going to back off so you can finish.
How you doing?
You're doing
Yes, right.
okay. Yeah, you're doing good.
It's going to be beautiful.